This is the go-to invisible stitch for master tailors. Start your first stitch, then wrap the thread around the needle for the second. Go in and out of the loops for the third stitch and beyond. Keep repeating, then catch that last loop. Clear the path. Just pull gently. Look, the thread disappears. 2. Watch closely. Mend pants holes like this. Today's magic mending stitch repairs holes perfectly, one stitch at a time. Super easy, practical, and looks amazing. You can't buy this trick. Look, the hole is fixed, and it leaves a pretty snowflake. 3. Snip a bit from those old socks you don't wear. Use this invisible stitch to sew it on the pant hem. Extend your kids' pants and they can keep wearing them for years. Sew around, pull the thread. Wow, look how much longer the pants get. 4. Got a frayed seam on your pants? Just cross the thread side to side all the way up like you see in the video. Give it a soft tug and it's good to go. Finally, sew the original thread back like this. Look, isn't it just like brand new? 5. If your cuffs are too big and look messy, fold over as much as you need to. Push the needle through from the inside, tack it down, put a bead on, then bring the needle out front on the left. Do this 2 more times. Finally, tie a knot to secure it. You've now got smaller, well-fitted cuffs with cute bead decoration, comfy and beautiful. 6. Your round neck is too wide? Don't cut it at all. Just line up the shoulders and mark where the neckline needs to be taken in. Start one stitch from the marked dot going inside out. Stitch up and down from the center with about 1 seam or tighter spacing. Return to the center and continue the same stitch. Keep repeating this stitch pattern until you reach the marked point. Next, finish off and gather the thread. After securing the thread like this, tidy it up neatly. Tie off securely inside. The neckline is now perfectly adjusted with an elegant twist braid design. 7. Are your new jeans too long? Cut off the excess length as needed. Align the seams. Secure the pant seam with back stitch first. Use running stitch, also called gathering stitch, to sew all the way around. Stitch along the edge of the pant leg, keeping the stitches small, tight, and even. Make sure to sew through both layers of fabric. Finish sewing the full circle first. Then use 2 strands of thread to do a hand blanket stitch. Wrap the raw edge inside this way so it won't unravel. Hand locking the edge with double thread is quick and looks really nice. Done! Inside clean and tidy, outside keeps the original hem and stitches. Perfect! 8. Wear your clothes too long and they feel so plain? Just use a pen to loop the thread back and forth like this. Just wind the thread round the pen about 6 times altogether. Work side to side with parallel stitches. Change to another color halfway through. Take the pen out, thread it through the loops, and you've made a pretty little flower. This method is perfect for covering stains and decorating clothes. So beautiful. 9. Just gently pull. The hole blooms into a pretty flower. Cut a round fabric patch. Trace a circle, place over the hole, and stitch around the guideline. Keep your stitches small and even. Oh, and make sure you're stitching through both pieces of fabric here. Okay, now sew another circle around the outside. Just remember, only stitch the top layer this round. Don't catch the clothing under it. After sewing the whole circle, press the fabric and tighten your thread. Got a bead? Sew it on now for a little decoration. Finish with a securing knot. Hole fixed, simple and cute. 10. Lose weight and your pants waist get baggy? Just mark the extra size right next to the pocket. From the bottom inside, pull right, stitch upward, then pull left, stitch upward. The waistband is double layered, only sew through the top layer. Smaller, closer stitches give you a much flatter, neater result. Now gently pull your thread snug and see how perfectly it closes up. There's an extra small inner layer inside. We can secure it with a hidden stitch. Pull the thread after sewing and the inside will become smooth. If these stitches work for you, hit like and save. Don't lose it when you need it next time.